She is an office manager in Tokyo. Every morning, she takes the train to work. She knows every stop. She knows exactly where to stand. She has done this for years. Get on, find a spot, wait for her stop, get off. Simple, fast, efficient. But every April, something happens. The new suits appear. Dozens of them. Young people fresh out of university. Their first week of work. Their first time on a busy Tokyo train. They look very neat, very serious, very lost. The train arrives at her station. The doors open. People start to move. This is the part she knows well. But today, a young man steps off the train and stops. Right there, on the platform, in the middle of everything. He looks left. He looks right. He looks at his phone. He looks left again. People go around him, some fast, some not so fast. She goes around him too. She doesn't say anything. He is probably from the countryside. Tokyo stations can be confusing, even for people who have been here for years. Upstairs, it's the same story. New suits everywhere, moving slowly, stopping at maps, checking phones, blocking exits. She walks through all of them. She knows the way. She always does, but today it takes a little longer. She thinks, this happens every year. In 2 weeks, they will know the trains. They will know the exits. They will know where to stand. This is just the beginning. It will get easier for everyone. She almost smiles. Then she remembers. Next week, the school year starts too. The station will be full of students with new backpacks. She sighs. Every April,